So I took this hood latch off, and this lever right here, when you shut the hood, it pushes down on it, and then there's another lever that comes up and locks it down. Well, what was happening, this section here was bent way out, and this lever was riding down behind the other lever rather than pushing down on it. So all I did was put it in a vise and bend this back a little bit, and it works okay now. Actually, it had wore the lever that it sits on, it had wore the corner off of it, and I need to re-weld that corner and then grind it down to the proper shape. But I'm out of MAP gas, and right now it's latching, so I'll worry about that later on. So I fixed that. The next problem was the top would go down just fine, but it wouldn't come back up. So some of the very helpful people on this blog told me you need fluid. So I hunted around, and it's on the left hand side, this cylinder. First of all, I felt around, I couldn't feel a place to put fluid in, but then I finally found it, and so the top was up completely, latched down, and I filled it with fluid, and it took a lot. So I put the top down, and the top still wouldn't come up. I had to do it manually. So I just said, okay, pump's bad. I started looking at what it was going to take to fix the pump. And then I said, you know, what would happen if I put the top down and put some fluid in it? So I did that, and it took a lot of fluid again. But when I did that, the top works just fine. So thanks to all the people on here that gave me advice about filling it with fluid. That's all it took, and the top is working fine.